Yeah, the ones that talk about children, like 16 and 49, stuck out to me because my mom is white and she has 3 mixed race children, and I was just thinking, like, just by having mixed race children and like having been married to a black man, in a lot of ways she like gave up some of the white privilege. So it was I mean, obviously she's still advantaged, just in some ways.
Right, and that kind of, sorry, can't see my question, but connects to my question, how can we dismantle white privilege? And so that's